Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to delete install app in Salesforce. And here we are going to discuss the whole process and we discuss to delete the install app in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, we need to move to our developer account. This is my Salesforce developer account. Let's see the application. So go to the app launcher and see there are lots of applications are present. So if you want to see more installed application within the org, so for this click on the gear icon and under this gear icon we can see there is a setup option present. Click on this setup option. Now enter the apps in the search box, in the quick find box, and here we see the apps are present and under this app we can see there is an option installed package, packaging, installed package option are present. If you want to directly search the install package, then it's again comes up under the packaging. So click on this install package and it will redirect us to the install packages page. And under this page, and here we can see all the install packages or apps or components which are installed into your Salesforce org. So you can see I will uninstall this app. So we click on the uninstall option, links, click on that and it will navigate us to the uninstall package screen. Uninstalling these packages will be permanently deleted all the components in this package. Permanent delete all the customization you have made to these components. When you are uninstall a package, by default all its data as well as related notes and attachments are automatically saved as an export file. This file is available for 48 hours in case you need to recover the data. To reload the data or import the export file manually and recreate any relation between the objects. Some component cannot be recreated here and the other required special treatments. You can also prevent the package data from being exported by selecting the appropriate radio button below. And here we can see the metadata component included in this packages. And here we click on this do not save a copy of the package data after uninstall. If you want to save a copy of this package for the 48 hour after uninstall, then you acknowledge this radio button. Otherwise, you acknowledge this radio button and window is pop up. All data in this package will be permanently deleted on uninstalling. Are you sure? If you are sure, then hit the OK button and then acknowledge this radio button. Yes, I want to uninstall this package and permanently delete all the associated components and then hit the uninstall button. And we come back to our install packages page and under this we can see our app is deleted permanently and under the uninstall package we can see this app for only for the 48 hours. This video you have seen the steps to uninstall the packages and the app inside the Salesforce org. I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates for the upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.